Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jennifer. I know, I'm like this, coming a set like this, that's not me. Let me see if this will make it better. That's not me coming to set with my, no hair, nothing. But today is a new video, it's a different video. Okay, let me remove this. Let me be normal, be myself. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you or telling you or literally showing you how to tie a turban, hair turban, or how I tie my hair turban. Normally, personally, I wouldn't be doing this video because videos like this is already online, it's already on YouTube, and it's already everywhere. But I was requested by my fan and my follower. If you're watching, girl, this is for you. Okay, on Instagram, comment saying, can I do a tutorial on how to tie a turban? So I believe this one follower knows she can definitely search how to tie a turban online, but she actually want me to do a tutorial because she want to see me do how I tie my hair turban. She doesn't want to see other people do it. She want to see my own tutorial. So I will respect that, and that's why I'm doing this video. So the fact that it only takes one person to start everything. So before I say YouTube, it took one person to watch my video before 2-3 people started watching it. So it takes one person to request before any other person can request. And if I can deliver it, I think more requests will be coming through. This hoe, go big girl, go home hoop, is probably going to disturb me in this video. So I might need to remove it because I can literally turn my head. First thing first, when you're trying to do a hair turban, you need to make sure you have your materials, which is your head and your scarf, any type of scarf. But I think it depends on the scarf really. I kind of like scarf which has texture, curtain, and can hold. Some scarf are slippery and they don't hold, and some scarf are too big and they don't hold. So yeah, and my scarves. So if you don't see me with this, you see me with it, you see me with this, you see me with, these are my scarves I use on a daily basis to tie a hair turban. And I'm gonna try and use 3 of my scarves for this tutorial today to tell you different styles to tie your hair turban. But my favorite scarf is this one. Maybe sometimes this, So you need to make sure you provide the material and the head for it. A lot of people have different ways of doing a hair turban or tying their hair. I'm going to show you my own way and my own style. So if you don't have your hair in place on your head, you want to protect your natural hair, because sometimes when tying your hair tie, it kind of interlock or it like gets your hair in the wrong places, and you might end up losing some part of your hair. So you want to make sure you protect your hair or your edges first. My favorite head scarf, which is this. You can see this scarf, I don't know what material it is. I'm not into material specialist, but I do know some materials got the whatever by the corner of the scarf. This seems to be polyester material, maybe I'm wrong, but you can see this scarf is so light and see-through. You can have a hold and a grip of this scarf and it will stay for days. Scarf like these are very light, that's what I like to work with, so that's why this is my favorite. So first of all, it is long, okay, from hands to hands. So what I do, I'm just gonna start from anyway, is take my scarf around my head like this, as if I'm wearing a veil, and you want to measure it on your head to make sure it becomes equal, half and half. So yeah, I cannot stand up for this. So you want to make sure this is like a veil on your head and it's after half at the bottom. So when this is in half and half, you want to gather it at each side, okay, get a grip and cross this. So cross it at your forehead and twist it. Twist it into anything. Just twist it. Because it's thin, so you can twist it very, very tight so it won't lose. The reason I twist this scarf is because when I am tying it, it will have a very strong firm hold, but if I just leave it like that, it won't have that hold. So just twist it to the end of your scarf. So once you're done twisting, you can see it becomes one scarf, but like a very thick scarf. So you want to touch your base of where you start your twist, go round. So you can put your hands in the middle, so go round and make sure each time you go round your knot, you make sure it's very, very tight. So it's as if you're locking a container. So it's like you twist it tight and you go round and you twist it tight and you go round and you twist it tight and you go round. So yeah, if my head is kind of like so tight that my blood circulation is, I don't know where it is right now. So at the end of it, there's no place to tie. So you take the excess, you twist it, you tighten it, and you put the end or the edge of your scarf underneath your knot. And that's where we have it. This is how I tie my hair turban. So sometimes when I want to take a good picture, this is the easiest way to tie my hair, go out in the community, even if I don't wear my wigs and stuff. So like this is 1, 2, 3 step easy go. So if you look at my knot on my headband, it's not too big, it's not too small, it's just minimal. Sometimes you can push it in. Some people prefer to push it in to stand like this, you know, whatever. I kind of like it not too like standing or to front, you know, depending on your head shape and depending on your scarf. So this is my number one easy way to do my scarf. We have this blue scarf. I like this color, this material. It's very good when I'm going out in like proper dinner. You know, that scarf look cheap, look old as fuck, but this is kind of look new, look, you know, chic style. So this is a really thick and big scarf. It's not like that one, very light. So this you might need more work when tying it. So even if you do a twist method, it's still very thick on your head. So I'm gonna cross this again. So I'm gonna do this at the side, not at the middle of my head. So when I cross the ease, I lock it. So when you lock it at your forehead or any side of your head, you want to take the two together. This time around, you're not twisting it. You just want to go around your hands at the knot. We try to create that knot. Go round. This time around, you can twist it, put the pressure on it, go round. The reason I'm doing it because this is a very big scarf, so it will hold, but it will become very, very big and puffy. So you don't want to twist it, because when you twist it, it's become more bigger. So there you have scarf number 2. It's not as thick as the first one. I mean, it's not like sturdy as the first one, but it's very, very big because it's a big scarf, you know. Third scarf I can tie now. It's also my favorite. So this is a really big, it's not rectangle scarf, it's a really big like scarf. So I'm gonna do it into a triangle, like fold this scarf in 2 or in half. So you're gonna have the triangle like this and like so, like this. Put it across my head. This time around we have a half like triangle shape scarf. Put it across your head, turn to the edge, twist it, you know, try to know where the half is. Okay, twist it more, twist it, enough, twist out. This just need to go round. You don't even need to even lock or twist or something like that. So this is another stage, another step of how I tie my hair turban. So lastly, I'm going to use my first scarf. I think the reason why I like excuse me. The reason why I like this is because he has a really grip and strong hold. I take my scarf around my head, but this time around through the front like this, and at the back crease this. So when it comes to the front, once you have your two ponytail scarf, you twist one end, fully twist it so that it should be very tight and steady, and lock it underneath your ham or your armpit and twist the other side of your ponytail very well to the end and lock it underneath your hand and armpit. So your twisted hair is done, twisted ponytail scarf is done. So you want to pull them apart so it tightens your head, you know. So this is where I crisscross this here, so it's become like a bridge on my head, and I go around it and I tie it at the back. And make sure your extra scarf is secure away. I come back and arrange the cross to make sure there are two lines on my head. So this is another way of how I tie my hair. If I don't have it in my crisscross Turban in the front, I will have it like this because it's very easy out of the quick to go scarf. So that's it, guys. So that's it. That's the end of my hair turban tutorial. This is gonna be a difficult type of video because I really don't know how else to explain how to tie your hair turban, but I hope you guys pick the first one and understand it, and the third one as well. So apart from that, that's it, guys, and thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. So take care of yourself and be nice to others.